Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this PS5 DualSense game controller to Google TV streamer 4K and play the game. See, here I am using this multi-port USB hub that is connected to this Google TV streamer using this USB Type-C cable. Here you can see one white cable, that is a power cable that is connected to PD-in port of this USB hub. Here I will be using this USB Type-C to Type-C cable to connect this PS5 controller to Google TV streamer. Here on back side of this game controller you can see one USB Type-C port. Here you can connect one end of this USB cable. Done. Then the other end of this USB cable we can connect to Google TV streamer. Let me connect other end of this USB cable to this USB Type-C port of the USB hub. Okay, done. See, this is a setup. Using this multi-port USB hub we can connect this PS5 game controller to Google TV streamer. So let me play this game. See, I am able to play this game using this game controller. This way we can connect this game controller to Google TV streamer 4K device. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.